God. Hey guys, so I was trying to plug that plantain flowers. That one, no, that area, that flowers have like honey kind of water. So I was just trying to pluck it, but I was not able to. So guys, welcome to Lakers Lifestyle. Today is gonna be an evening vlog, and this is Saturday, a beautiful weekend, a beautiful climate. Just you see, and this is around 5 o'clock in the evening. So I said that's evening vlog. So I was thinking, okay, it's not completely evening vlog, it's like evening vlog means a come food vlog because I was thinking I was damn feeling hungry, guys. So I was thinking like I will cook something, and I thought that okay, let me just make a evening vlog. So this is my beautiful flower blonde. So let us go to the kitchen. Okay, so basically today I was thinking like what should I cook, and I was feeling damn hungry. Then I was thinking I want something. I was carving sweet, like I wanted something to sweet, and here is my kitchen, very small kitchen it is. So I thought that today I'll make a caramel porridge, that is sweet porridge or caramel payasam, caramel rice porridge. So for that, basically I have just 10 minutes before I just soaked rice in a bowl, like 1 cup of rice, okay, which I have soaked, washed and soaked, and that is the main ingredients. Rest of the ingredients I'll be showing on the way. And before that, let us check on what my kids are doing over there, because I have given homework to them. What do you have to tell? Do you have anything to tell? What are you doing?
I'm doing this.
I gave online studies, and what are you doing?
I'm doing this.
What is this?
This
Also my typing.
Okay, what was your business? You was writing there, right?
Yeah.
Then where did you come?
This
Oh, okay.
But this come.
So guys, I have to tell something. Actually, no, my second son, he has also started a YouTube channel. Just started, okay, just started, and like no much videos have been posted, like 1 or 2 posted. Like we are trying to do much more. So it's like I haven't fixed the name even, so I'm not just officially introducing that, but I will be introducing somewhere like here. So what do you have to say? Please subscribe.
Subscribe my channel.
Also my channel. Also my mother's channel.
Subscribe my mother's channel.
Yeah.
And also like and press the notification bell.
And this is my birthday.
Okay. So,
And I like my toys.
okay. Do your homework. So, yeah. Yeah, let them do that. Let them do whatever they want. It's okay. I don't compel them in studies so much. So here it is. Now let us move on to the next thing. I have just kept my
This is my chicken.
what?
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen.
Yeah.
We're making chicken.
Yeah, I'm making chicken and we are in kitchen. Okay. That actually just tongue twisted, and it see, this is my chicken. Okay. So no, don't take that. No, I will do that. Okay. So firstly, let us move on, and I will be showing you soon. Okay, I'm taking a pressure cooker for that. Just hold on. So guys, okay, so I have named this porridge as like quick caramel rice porridge, or caramel payasam, caramel kheer, or in whatever name you can call it. And it's just sweet, and I'm just carving like anything, and I don't have anything left in my home because normally I go to shopping on Sundays, and today is Saturday, so nothing is left. So I thought that I want something. I want. So firstly, I have kept my pressure cooker here on the ratio, and I'm adding few, like you have to add, you can actually, it's quick, as I said, it's quick. I'm adding around half cup of sugar to the pressure cooker and making it to caramel, like just waiting just to get it brown, golden brown, like honey just color, so that it becomes caramelized. So you can see it started caramelizing. I'm adding just a drop of water, okay, so that it doesn't turn so hard and thick. Okay,
What
so
you
it's
making?
I'm making a payasam.
Oh, I like Python.
Okay, so it's like burning. Give me one spatula, mother.
Is this one?
No spatula.
This lick.
So these guys also came in between to help and made little bit mess. Okay, so into that caramelized sugar, when it has already thickened, into that I'm
I
adding.
like Python.
Yeah, I'm adding. I have added 1 cup of milk, and you can see the sugar will just stick on like this, very thicky kind of consistency will be there. But don't worry, it will just go, man. It will just dissolve in the milk, and I need more milk. Can you just help me out? Can you just bring me one bottle of milk?
This.
When the milk comes to boil, I'm just doing something like I'm just adding this rice to this mixer grinder and blending it, like yeah, just keep it there, and just making it one round of mixer, like just one round,
Smells good.
because it will just have to break. Yeah, it just have to break. Okay, I'll just show you just a sec.
I like Python every day. And my
But we
name
can't-
is Mom, and I like Python every day.
Okay, but we can't eat payasam every day. We can eat occasionally, only
Yeah, one day.
once in a.
I saw something.
I am like a sweet tooth wali, so
What is
I normally
this?
make.
Here this.
That is seal. So I'm just adding the
Look at this.
rice
Here
into the mixer
this.
blender. I'm just shooting with one. Oh my gosh! I'm shooting with one hand, so a lot of this kind of messy things will happen in between. Please bear with me, and that's why it's like a vlog, not evening vlog, not like a cooking
Rice. Are you
particularly.
making rice?
I'm just breaking out the rice. So guys, I have broken the rice in the mixer blender. Some would not have broken properly, but it's not a case. Like I have soaked also. So this I will directly add into the pressure cooker where milk is boiling. So here you can see the milk is almost started to boil. So I am gonna add this. Oh gosh. So I just added the rice into the milk, boiling milk. You can see the rice here. And if you have sabudana also, like jawari we tell in Malayalam, sabudana in Hindi. I will just list here what is the sabudana English somewhere here. I'll just list it out. I forgot actually. Basically, I'm not so good in English. So yeah, it started boiling. I'll just pressure cook for just around 2 to 3 whistles my rice according to the boiling of rice, because people are really having different rices in their home. So I have taken like ponni rice. So it just needs like around 2 whistles to boil. So I am putting like around 2 whistles, that's it. So let me cover the pressure cooker. Where is my cat? So I have just kept the pressure cooker, and by that time I will just chop some nuts. Like I have a lot of nuts, like cashews and almonds, and I'll be adding raisins also, because I love that bite in between the porridge. The porridge will be soft, the rice will be soft and hot, and like in between this crunchy nuts. Now I just love it. And don't make the noise, please. Don't make the noise, please. Please. Okay, and it's about to be 6 o'clock now. I just started shooting like 5 o'clock. In between I roamed around my home there and here, and I was like just thinking what dinner should I make. So in between I just want to see what I just did is like that I couldn't shoot. I have few leg pieces here. leg pieces which I have marinated in masalas, chicken, which I'm gonna fry in air fryer. So my whistle is about to start. Come on, you can do this. So here I have chopped the nuts and I used with the mixer. Why? Because like a chopper blender. Why? Because I like this to be like small pieces, some big pieces like that. If you don't like this kind, you can just crack or like with your knife or something. But it's like it is good taste because you can see this tiny little granules, you know. When we bite in between also, it will be like so nice. So I have just added this and I will be adding raisins to this and frying with ghee at last and adding to the porridge. So next thing I'm adding is like here I have come on, the basic sweetener is condensed milk. I'm using it, and condensed milk will add more thickness and more tastier porridge rather than just adding sugar and milk. So that is really awesome, super tasty, yummy. So guys, be careful when you do in pressure cooker because it's milk now, so it will tend to come, just spill it over when it comes out. You just keep some tissue papers or something just to protect your gas stoves or this one. So I'm just waiting for the pressure to be down. So here one papa has come.
Yellow, green.
So I just went to see around the home, and one papa has come to we will send for vegetables in local market here. So I think the pressure is almost down now. Okay, now let us open. One important thing I have to tell: you have to open the pressure cooker when the pressure is completely gone, or else I just opened in between, like the pressure just it was just around 50% only gone, but I just opened and it just came out, and I have just messed up my kitchen little bit here and all, spilled off. You can see here and all, it's spilled off. So it's like a tip. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep my stove again, porridge again to the stove, and I'm adding a little more milk and water because I'm adding condensed milk to this. So I'm adding a little bit more water. So I'm adding a little water because, as I said before, and oh my god, my pressure cooker, sorry for the mess, dears. So I'm just stirring it all. So the sweetening agent which I'm giving us just our condensed milk. So next I'm adding a bit of powder of cardamom as a flavoring agent. I'm adding the cardamom powder here. At this point of time, I'm adding the condensed milk, around 1 cup to this. So guys, who don't like condensed milk, isn't it? Oh. So let us stir occasionally because it tends to settle down, because the ghee will be really thick, the porridge will be really thick because it's made up of like mostly the condensed milk, no? So just stir it and let it become a little more thicky consistency. Somebody have gifted us something just now. I was really feeling hungry that time, I didn't get, but now I have almost finished making porridge. So I'll just open and show you guys what is this. Okay, so I just opened the seal and you can see here what is this. This is Lebanese. Excuse me. Okay, it's just fight for the remote. And this is actually Arabi sweet, and this is like baklava is there. It's like this one I like. This one is my favorite, and they come in pistachios and almonds. This is almond one. I really like it. I'll just have a taste of this. Amazing. Today is gonna be really sweet. You want? Really sweet. And this one is chura ke de rahe. Guys, you can see the porridge has really, the steam is covering the camera, sorry for that, and boiled, and it has thickened also. The rice is cooked also. So when it cool downs also, like it will just thicken. So now let us fry some cashews and nuts and those raisins and add to this. That's it. That's it. It's done. So easy, isn't it? Okay, I have kept another pan, adding sooth ghee to this. Into this I'm adding the whole nuts. So don't worry guys, if the nuts is a little bit powdered also, no problem, because it will again dissolve in the milk and all, so it's not an issue. Okay, when this cashews and almonds are a little bit on the brown side, I'll add the kismis. Okay, now I'm adding kismis, which we cannot miss. Now, add them to the porridge. I have just finished my cooking of porridge, and here is the porridge: caramel, rice pudding or rice porridge or rice paisam, caramel, rice kheer, paisam, whatever you can talk or name it, and it smells amazing. Yes, amazing. And only milk made, just not milk made, it's condensed milk, and you can just see a lot of nuts floating on above that, and it's just yummy. So now let us move on. Tasting time. So let us call my kids. Manu Manu. So guys, here is the tasting time of our porridge, and so Khiladis are waiting. First let me have a touch and see how it is. Yummy. It's not like normal paisam or kheer because it's like caramelized. You can see the color. It's like a pale pink, and it's made up of only condensed milk. So it's so thick and yummy, and the crunchiness also are there. So who won next? Who won? Come here. It's a bit hot. Come here, this side.
Yummy.
Okay, Manu.
Your turn.
Come this side. Okay.
My name is Manu.
How is it?
Good.
Tasty?
Yeah.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, wait, come here, let us say bye. So guys, this was our evening vlog come food vlog of sweet kheer or paisam or porridge. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't,
hit the like button
Huh.
and subscribe
And subscribe on my
to our
channel.
can you just stand, come down, no Manu, come down.
Click on
Because
the
your face is not
notification
visible,
bell.
yeah.
And subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and we will be coming soon with some other videos. Till then, it's Lega gonna sign off. Stay healthy, stay beautiful,
Bye.
stay sweet.